explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 19th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is prepositions, right? So अगर हम बात करें prepositions के बारे में, so what are these prepositions? Let me tell you very quickly. तो जो prepositions होते हैं ये कुछ ऐसे words हैं that tell us about the place of a noun or a pronoun or their positions in the sentence. They also sometimes tell us the relation of the nouns and pronouns with the other words in the sentences, right? So, जल्दी से अब चैप्टर को शुरू करते हैं और जानते हैं कि prepositions के बारे में और क्या-क्या चीज़ें हैं जो हमें यहाँ पर बताई जा रही हैं. So first of all, we have the definition over here, which says a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show the relation in which one person or thing stands to another person or thing. यानी कि जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया था कि prepositions ऐसे words हैं जो कि noun या pronoun से पहले यूज़ किए जाते हैं ताकि उनका relation बताया जा सके किसी और person या फिर thing के साथ उस sentence में. Correct? So, now they say read these sentences. जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. So it is the cat is on the bed. The rat is in the tub. The dog is under the bed. Pawan is going down the stairs. Correct? So, the words on, in, under and down are prepositions. तो ये जो words हैं on, in, under और down ये सब ही prepositions हैं. Correct? Now, moving ahead, we have the next thing which is kinds of prepositions. अब prepositions के kinds के बारे में जानते हैं. Right? The very first kind जो हमें यहाँ पर दिया गया है it is preposition of time. तो preposition of time क्या है? Let's see. So they say read these sentences. अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. She was born in 2006. They go to the bed at night. My birthday is on Sunday. Right? The words in, at, and on in the above sentences are used as prepositions of time. तो जो words हैं in, at और on इन सभी sentences में ये prepositions of time की तरह use किए जाते हैं. They are used as follows. अब इन्हें use कैसे किया जाता है? Let us see. So, यहाँ पर है time. preposition जो हम यूज़ करते हैं और यहाँ पर हमें एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है. जैसे कि वीक के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे इन अ वीक. राइट? मंथ्स के लिए भी हम इन ही यूज़ करेंगे जैसे कि इन अगस्त. ईयर्स के लिए भी हम इन ही यूज़ करेंगे जैसे कि है इन 1947. सीजन्स के लिए भी हम इन ही यूज़ करेंगे जैसे कि इन समर. करेक्ट? नाउ मूविंग अहेड वी हैव डेट्स. डेट्स के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे ऑन जैसे कि ऑन 12th जुलाई. डेज के लिए भी हम ऑन का ही यूज़ करेंगे जैसे कि है ऑन सैटरडे. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट्स ऑफ टाइम यानी कि जो पॉइंट्स के टाइम के एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट्स हैं उनके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? सो इट इज़ एट. दैट मीन्स एट 5:30 AM. करेक्ट? Next kind that we have is prepositions of places or movement. यानी कि अब हम बात करेंगे prepositions of places या फिर movement के बारे में. Let's read these sentences. The book is on the table. The cat is under the table. The pet is near the table. The dog is behind the tree. The mug is in front of bucket. Right? So, these were the examples of prepositions of places or movements. Now, moving up to exercise A, we have MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Let's read this. So it says, the glass is dash the table. Right? तो glass जो है वो table पे कहाँ है? This, and the options are at, on, or upon. And we know that the correct option is on. The glass is on the table. And let's take option D as the correct one. Next, the dustbin is dash the floor. And the options are behind, on, or in. And the correct option is behind the door, right? So let's take option A as the correct option. Next, the cat is dash the window. And the options are at, on, or over. And we all know that the correct option is at the window. So let's write at over here, and we have ticked option A as the correct one. Right? Next, complete the sentences with suitable prepositions of time. अब हमें इन sentences को पूरा तो करना है, पर सिर्फ prepositions of time को use करके. Right? So let's see. The assembly begins at 8 a.m. and begins at 8 a.m. Next, inter-house dance competition will be held on 19th of August. Next, a school trip to Shimla is being organized during summer holidays. Or we can write in also. In summer holidays. Science unit tests will be held dash the second week of August. Will be held in the second week of August. Right? Now, moving ahead, we have exercise C, which is fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions from the brackets. तो हमें यहाँ पर correct preposition choose करनी है और साथ ही साथ इन blanks में fill करना है. So, the boat is sailing dash the river. The boat is sailing down the river. So let's write down over here. Chicks are dash the nest. Chicks are in or behind. And the correct option is in the nest. Right? Next, a monkey is standing dash the tree. Near or on. Let's say monkey is standing on the tree. Let's write on over here. Right? Next, Rohit's head is dash the water. Rohit's head is above the water. Right? Next, the thief is jumping dash the wall between or over. And the correct option is over. The thief is jumping over the wall. Now, moving up to the next exercise. Exercise D, which says underline the prepositions in the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences में जो prepositions दी गई हैं उन्हें underline करते हैं. So the first one is I received a letter from Ananya yesterday. And the preposition is yesterday. Right? No. The preposition is France. Next, they watched TV for 3 hours. So the correct one is or. Next, he has no control over himself. And the preposition is over. Next, keep off the grassy lawn. So the correct preposition is off. Next, Samantha is sitting between Amit and Ravi. So the preposition is between. Next, have faith in God. So the correct preposition is in. Next, he was on duty yesterday. And the preposition in this sentence is on. Next, she stopped me from going there. So the correct preposition in this sentence is from. Next, we will meet at dinner. And the preposition in this sentence is at. Next, Rohan is running after his dog. So यहाँ पर preposition है after. Correct? Now, moving ahead to the next exercise which says fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. तो अब हमें इन blanks को भरना है with the help of the prepositions. So let's read them. November comes dash October. November comes after October. Next, we women up dash midnight. We women up down up till midnight. Next, the cows are dash the field. The cows are in the field. Next, come and sit dash me. Come and sit behind me, beside me, right? Whatever you want, you can write over here. Next, I will wait for you dash the bus stop. I will wait for you at the bus stop. Correct? Next, do not cry dash spilt milk. Do not cry over spilt milk. Right? Next, I am usually dash home these days. I am usually at home these days. Next, food was shared dash 10 girls. Food was shared among 10 girls. Right? Next, these people need a strong leader dash them. These people need a strong leader for them. Right? Next, they will not stay dash India. They will not say in India, right? So that was all about the chapter prepositions. I hope you all are here with them and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.